Have you ever wondered how large companies manage to buy everything they need to operate? Let us break down the world of procurement. Procurement is the strategic process of sourcing, negotiating, and purchasing goods and services for a business or organization. For many companies, procurement represents the single largest expense, often accounting for 70% of total revenue. It is not just about finding the lowest price. Procurement teams focus on balancing cost, quality, and the reliability of their supply chain. While people use the terms interchangeably, purchasing is a tactical transaction, whereas procurement is a broader, strategic approach to managing supplier relationships. The process moves through several stages, starting with identifying a need and ending with the final payment to the vendor. Ultimately, effective procurement turns a company's spending into a competitive advantage by choosing the right partners and managing those relationships carefully. Understanding how businesses manage their money helps you see the bigger economic picture. Thanks for learning with us today.